Introducing the Raspberry Pi CM4 clone, the Orange Pi CM4. Arguably one of the most fun Raspberry Pi CM4 clones. It sports a Rockchip 3566 quad-core 64-bit Cortex-A55 processor, capable of going up to 1.8 GHz. Comes with an integrated ARM Mali G52 GPU, a built-in AI accelerator, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It supports a variety of different OSs like Android, Ubuntu, Debian, and Orange Pi OS Arch Linux. Can be used as a desktop computer, Linux network server, Android tablet, or your own personal gaming console. It's compatible with most CM4 carrier boards, and Orange Pi themselves have their own specialized carrier board just for their own CM4. Now, when compared to other CM4 carrier boards, you will notice one thing in particular. That little notch right there. So aside from being blue, if you pay attention to the bottom right here, you'll see it has an extra connector, an extra set of pins, as opposed to a regular Raspberry Pi CM4 that does not. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Orange Pi CM4 pinout, the Raspberry Pi CM4 pinout, the Raspberry Pi CM5 pinout, and the Milk V Mars CM pinout. They're all exactly the same, except for that extra pinout right here. Now that doesn't really stop nothing. It'll still be compatible with almost every CM4, CM5 I/O board. And they come pre-flashed with Android. Now I intend on making mine into a mini network server, hence why I got that M.2 right there. And if you go with the Orange Pi CM4 I/O board, you'll see it comes with a few extra features. An M.2, a micro SD slot, 2 camera connectors on the top and bottom, LCD ribbon jack, which I accidentally ripped off, a USB-C and HDMI port, a headphone jack, your classic 40-pin GPIO, 1 gigabit Ethernet jack, 1 USB 3, and 3 USB 2 ports. Now, getting this little guy isn't as easy as, let's say, flashing a Raspberry Pi CM4. It does take a few extra steps that we're not going to discuss in this video. But if you'd like to learn more, you can go to orangepi.org and check out their wiki and look up how to install the Debian system. It's actually pretty informative as opposed to some other CM4 clones that are available. And although I won't say that it's a drop-in replacement for a Raspberry Pi CM4, it's still a very capable SOM. And I love SOMs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy building!